Is your 8-ball pool keep connecting on Android or iPhone? You might encounter a connecting issue or get stuck at connecting when there is a problem with your internet or when the server is down. Solving the keep connecting issue for your 8-ball pool is easy and quick, so let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap the Developer option. If you haven't turned on the Developer option, please enable the setting. Now scroll down a little bit. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling from here. Choose Always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you find that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you a connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Now choose the SIM card that you are using for the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving internet, you need to check the server for your 8-ball pool keep games. To check the 8-ball pool server, open a browser on your mobile device, tap Search bar, now type www.downdetector.com. Now tap here. Once you come over here, type 8-ball pool keep. Tap OK. First, look at the status. If it shows user reports indicate no current problems at 8-ball pool keep, that means there is no problem with the server. And if it shows user reports indicate possible problems at 8-ball pool keep, that means there is an ongoing issue with the server. If the server is down, you can get keep connecting issues. In that case, you need to wait for a few hours, and if there are no issues with your server, follow the next process to solve your problem. Now you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for 8-ball pool apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the setting, tap Force Stop, tap OK. Now before you open the game, just install a VPN and set it up. Also connect to a different server. After that, move on and try to play your 8-ball pool games and check your internet problem. After following the process, please inform us in the comment section if you still find any issues. Thanks for watching.